Yes, welcome again to my mathematics online tutorial. We still want to discuss binomial theorem. It is a topic under MAT 101. MAT 101 is what we call elementary mathematics 1, which is being taught in all the universities and also colleges of education and polytechnics. That is 100 level first year course. Now, they say we should expand s plus 1 power 4. We have a model here. Ordinarily, this s plus 1 power 4 means s plus 1, s plus 1, s plus 1, s plus 1 in 4 places. For us to expand this, it will not, though we will get the answer, but it's going to stress us. So we have a model that will help us in generating or getting the answer quickly, which is this. Now, look at it, look at the formula. So all we need to do is to compare this with this. See, s plus y power n, which is the formula. Look at it. So it means my x is x, my y is 1, and n is 4. All right. So from here, our s is tx, my y is what? Plus 1, which is still 1. And my n is what? 4. So that I will not be confused. So let me remove this now. Let me remove it. All right. So now we have s plus 1 power 4, where s equal to s, y equal to 1, and n equal to 4. So let us substitute this now into this formula. Look at it now. Let's go. X is s. We have x. What is my n? N is 4. Plus n is 4. 4. This is combination. Combination 1. X. N is what? N is 4. 4 minus 1 power y. Y is what? 1. All right. Plus n is 4. 4 combination 2. S is tx. All right. N is 4. 4 minus 2. Y is what? 1. We have 1 square now because there is square there. Plus n is what? 4 combination 3. Then x, n is what? 4 minus 3. And then y is what? 1. If you like, enclose it in brackets so that you'll not be confused. 1 power what now? See, 3 plus. So we continue. This 3 dotted line means continuation. All right. Now, or continuity. Plus. So the next one will be 4 combination what? 4. If you check very well, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be n combination 4, which is n is 4 combination 4. Then the x, our s is here, 4 minus what? Instead of 3, it will be 4 now. Then the our y will be what? 1 power 4. Look at it. We have to stop here because n is equal to 4. If you check very well, the first one is s 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4. You stop whenever s is raised to the power of 0 and whenever your y is raised to the power of what? 4, because our n is equal to 4. And as such, we're going to get it to be like this. 4 combination 1x, 4 minus 1 is 3. All right. So let me just put this one in so that I will not be confused. If not, we can still do away with it. Now, 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 square. Let me still put it. I have my reason. Plus 4 combination 3. X. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Let me put the 1 there. 1 power 3 plus 4 combination 4. Then x 4 minus 4. We have 0. Then 1 power what? 4. If you look at this critically, you discover that yx reduces, y increases. Look at it again. Look at the s. S power 3, s square, s power 1, s power 0. But when you look at the y, which is represented as 1 now, 1 power 1, 1 square, 1 3, 1 4. Now, the next thing to do is to find this s power 4 plus, look at it, 4 combination 1. What is 4 combination 1? Now, we can use this formula. N combination R implies n factorial all over what? N minus R factorial, then R factorial is a formula. So, n factorial over n minus R factorial, then R factorial. Look at it now. So, from here now, my n is what? My n is 4, my r is 1. So what are you going to do? Look at it. Very simple. 4 factorial all over 4 minus r. R is what? 1. All right? 1, then factorial. Then my r, which is 1. 1 factorial. What is 4 factorial? It means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that is, look at it. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 4 minus 1 factorial means 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1. Then multiply by, let's say, 1 factorial. What is 1 factorial? It means 1. 1 factorial is 1. So that's 1 times 1 is 1. So now 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2, we have 12 times 2, we have 24. All right, 24 times 1 is 24. Then 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 1, 6. So 24 all over 6, I believe we should have 4. Because 12 plus 12, so 24 over 6 is 4. It therefore means, so please permit me to remove this now. So we have what? 4. So here we will put 4. 4x power 3, because 1 multiplied by is the same thing. So here we will still do 4 combination 2, the same process, which means 4 factorial all over what? 4 minus 2 factorial, then multiply by what? 2 factorial. What is 4 factorial? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then look at it. 4 minus 2, we have 2. 2 factorial is what? 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. Now multiply by, look at this one, 2 factorial. 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1, which is 2. Then 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, we have 24. 24 times 1, we have 24. So 24 all over 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 24 divided by 4, we should have 6. 24 divided by 4, we should have what? 6. So means here we have 6. 6 x square. All right, because 1 square is 1. 1 square, remember, is not 1 times 2. I beg, it's 1 times 1. 1 into 2 places. So that is it. You have 1 plus, we move here. 4 combination is still the same thing. Look at it. 4 factorial all over 4 minus 3 factorial. Then multiply by what? 3 factorial. What is 4 factorial? We have been doing it is what? 24. All right. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then this one, 4 minus 3, we have 1. What is 1 factorial? Is 1. Multiply by 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 1, 6. So we now have 24 all over 6. 24 over 6, the answer is what? 4. 24 divided by 6, you have 4. So it means we bring in 4 here. We have 4. X power 1 is 1. 1 power 3 means 1 times 1 times 1. Remember, it's not 1 times 3. So we have, that's why we have 4x plus, look at it, 4 combination 4. The answer is 1. We can still prove it. Look at it. That is 4 factorial all over 4 minus 4 factorial, then 4 factorial. Look at it. 4 factorial all over 4 minus 4 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 24. All right. Then 4 minus 4 is what? 0. 0 factorial is 1. You can press calculate to 0 factorial is what? 1. Then multiply by, what is 4 factorial? 24. So 24 over 24, we have 1. So that is why I said earlier that 4 combination 4 is 1. Then x power 0, anything raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. Then 1 power 4 is 1. That is 1 in 4 places is 1. So that is 1 time. So therefore means the final answer is x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 6x squared plus 4x plus what? 1. This is the binomial expansion, of x plus 1 power 4 by